So, all those YOLO entire combination of the whole UI and even this YOLO wallpaper you are seeing here is something which this Potato open source project ROM comes by default with, but you can definitely change these colors. Well, first things first, let me show you the boot animation of this ROM. As you can see, pretty cool boot animation right there. The ROM is pretty smooth. I have been using it since a day now, so I think it's a pretty good ROM. It's just the version 1 of this ROM, so not a lot of customizations are present here, and neither I am saying that everything is perfect over here. We do have some bugs and some features are missing. We have Lean Launcher as default launcher here, which has Google Now cards to the left as you can see. So now let me show you the about section first. On the top, as you can see, the huge POSP logo is present and it says version 1 over here. Running on top of Android 8.1, latest July security patch. Here is the stock kernel name. SE Linux is at enforcing. Now let me just show you the launcher settings. Well, there is a lot customizations for this launcher. First, we have notification dots. Next, we have the at a glance thingy. After that, we have the Google Now cards to the left option. After that, we have search settings. From here, you can enable force Google color option for the Google icon. I disabled the app suggestions from here because I don't like it. Inside look and feel, we have the launcher theme option. You can set black color if you want dark feel. You can customize the grid and column numbers of apps too. In edit apps, we have icon shape changing option. You can change it to circle and stuff. Next, we have gestures. Swiping with one finger gets you to the notification panel as you can see, where swiping with two fingers on the home screen gets you to the quick toggles. Double tap to sleep on the home screen is totally buggy here. It doesn't simply work, as you can see, it just force stops the launcher. Next, we have some more customization options. Note that there is no double tap to sleep on the status bar option present over here on this ROM. Now let's jump into customizations. Everything is inside wedges. It says coming soon in updates, so as it's the version 1, so in future a lot of things might be added. I like these animations though, looks pretty smooth. Watch the animations again. As you can see, in my opinion these are pretty cool. Now let's jump into status bar settings. Well, one thing to note here that there is no VoLTE icon present over here in this ROM and no system icon option from where you can enable things like headset or Bluetooth icon etc. But VoLTE calls does work fine. You can customize the clock and date from here. Next, we have carrier label. After that, we have battery icon settings. We do have icons like circle, dotted circle etc. here. You can change the battery percentage position too. And these are the activity indicators. Pretty cool, right beside the Wi-Fi icon. From themes, you can change the UI and accent colors, but the names over here are a little bit funky. Right now it's set to light or light tattoo. Dark tattoo means darker colors and BSOS means fully black UI color. Let's go back and jump into quick settings. Here we have this brightness slider icon, which is this one. And auto brightness does work fine here, but there is no column and row number customizations or heavy customizations for quick settings panel. In navigation, we have software and hardware key customizations, but as you have noticed already, I guess, that I am totally using edge gestures over here. I even disabled the hardware keys. Swiping from the lower sides means go back. Swiping up from the bottom means home. And swiping up and hold means recent apps panel. You can use the hardware keys if you want to, it works fine, and you can customize them, but I disabled them because I wanted to use the gestures only. That's why I disabled them. In notifications we have heads up if you need that. In gestures we have the same as gestures again, so it's just a duplicate of that settings. In MISC we have face auto unlock, which does work, and 3-finger screenshot gesture is working fine over here as you can see. And we have advanced reboot option. From here, as you can see, you can directly boot into recovery or fast boot. Inside display settings there are nothing exciting like different fonts or double tap to wake. Just the night mode is there and it works fine, and some display size settings and stuff. One thing to note here, Google Tez doesn't work over here, at least without Magisk. Now let me open up a few apps to show you guys the app open up speeds and the RAM management of this ROM. In the meantime, here are the benchmarks for this ROM, and I did face some issues with some apps randomly for stopping, like even WhatsApp, and to fix it I had to reboot the device, but it happened only for once, note that. So as you can see, the RAM management is good and it had all the apps in memory. So yeah, thumbs up for the RAM management. In terms of camera though, it has a very old looking kinda Google camera as stock camera here, and it takes average pictures, but you can definitely install GC Mode 5 in case you want that. So that's a wrap for this video guys. Hope it helps you guys and gives you a clear idea about this ROM as of now. If it did, please hit the like button and smash that subscribe button in case you want many more awesome custom ROM coverage in future. This is Tito from KDN Tech signing off for today, and I'll catch you guys later.